Hello and welcome to another video from Travels with Charlie, and I'm at a very festive Towers Business Park in Didsbury, and during the week I was in Wilmslow. Here's a little video I made. And on this video I'm doing a quick tour around the market town of Wilmslow in Cheshire. Wilmslow has a population of around 25,000, including some notable people. Sir Alex Ferguson lives in Wilmslow, as does William Roach, who plays Ken Barlow in Coronation Street, amongst many others. Codebreaker and the inventor of the modern-day computer, Alan Turing, was from Wilmslow. This is a very affluent area, and Carr's Country Park is nearby. It has lots of nice restaurants and bars here, and it really is a pleasant place to visit. And the town itself is well connected with its railway station, Wilmslow Station, connecting to London and to Manchester and beyond. In terms of entertainment, there is the Green Room Theatre and the Rex Cinema, which we can see there, and lots of nice restaurants and places to eat and have a drink. It was December in 2025 when I was here, and we went into Smoke Restaurant, which was very pleasant indeed. And the Christmas tree is up in front of the Rex building there. The Rex Cinema is described as a stylish cinema, so I would really like to come back to Wilmslow sometime and go to the cinema there, as it looks very pleasant from the pictures I can see. In fact, Wilmslow really is worth a little visit if you get the chance, and this is just a real taster of what is in Wilmslow, including this lovely shop here selling all sorts of nonsense. And we'll put more details of how to get to Wilmslow and what to see when you get there in the description box below. And thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget, if you want to like the video and also to subscribe to the channel, and why not comment below. Have you been to Wilmslow? What do you think of it? Is it worth a visit? Let us know. Join the conversation. Until next time, bye-bye for now.